Hi, I'm Anna,
And I'm Mark.
and this is our Business Statistics 215 project. We're going to be discussing the cities of Portland, Boston, and San Diego.
First, we're going to introduce what the S&P Case-Shiller Index really is. Okay, so the S&P Case-Shiller Home Price Index is made up of several different indices that measure changes in the prices of single-family homes, which compares the sale prices of the same properties over time. The S&P Case Index is measured by using repeat sales of single-family homes. An index of 100 is basically just a normalized value to represent the base year, January 2000. If an index is at 125, it means that the house prices in a certain region have appreciated by 25%. Next, we are going to talk about seasonality. Seasonality or seasonal adjustment means that the index is adjusted to fit with seasonal rises and falls. In the spring, people are more likely to buy homes, so prices of homes tend to be more higher. People tend to buy homes in the spring because they want to get ready before the summer. People want to buy a home before summer because they want to move in better weather, as well as they want to give their children time to move in before school season starts. When the index is seasonally adjusted, it means that it removes the seasonal component of a time series, so we can see the trend of a time series independent of the seasonal factors.
An underwater mortgage is where the balance of the mortgage loan is higher than the fair market value of the property. This was often the case after the 2008 market crash because home prices drastically dropped. Homeowners in San Diego are likely to still be underwater because San Diego has not been able to surpass their previous peak prior to 2008. Mean index is the average of all the index values. Portland's mean index is 150.8, Boston at 160.15, and San Diego at 184.03. This shows that from January 2000 to August 2017, Portland increased home prices by around 50%, Boston increased by roughly 60%, and San Diego increased by over 80%. Next, we're going to talk about standard deviation. This is where it measures how spread out the values are from the mean. Portland's standard deviation is 31.24, Boston at 21.41, and San Diego at 41.59. San Diego has the highest standard deviation because the index for San Diego peaked at 251 right before the market crash and then fell to 145, which left a huge gap.
Lastly, we're going to compare the price patterns between Boston and San Diego. San Diego experienced a roller coaster ride compared to Boston. Prices in Boston did not increase or decrease over time by very much as compared with San Diego. San Diego had home prices rise very rapidly and then fall very quickly. Much of this had to do with the fact that after the market crash, San Diego and other cities that were largely affected by the crash experienced a high increase in renters, which decreased the demand to purchase a home, which then caused prices on homes to decrease drastically. On the other hand, cities like Boston saw the smallest increase in renters after the crash, which affected the home prices a lot less compared to cities like San Diego. Boston already had many people renting homes before the crisis, so the number couldn't increase by much more. The decline in demand for home ownership has a direct relationship with a decrease in prices of homes.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed our presentation.